To prepare a file for printing, I'm gonna have to save it on the cloud first. So I'm gonna call it Bottlebot 2.0 and then save. Once it's saved, I can now go here to File, Export, and then I'm going to pick the format STL. Now here, I want it to download in Downloads, and then I'm going to wait. Now, this process is happening on the cloud. So here we have to wait a little bit until our file is ready. Normally, it takes like 2 to 3 minutes. It's not very long. So let's wait a little bit. So once it's ready, it's going to tell us. While the program is working, I'm gonna go and open my slicer software or Cura. The slicer software is used to prepare the settings for the 3D print. So here I'm using the software called Cura, and here in Cura you see a digital version of your bed, your 3D printing bed. So once my file is ready, I'm going to put it here, and here I can adjust different things. First of all, the printer I'm using, the quality, for example, the infill. In this case, we're going to use 20% infill, so it won't be solid. It will use a pattern to fill out the model. I don't need any support or addition because of the shape. Later on, we can talk about when do you use supports or addition, but in this case, we don't need that, so we're going to leave it like that. And it's going to have a resolution of 0.2 millimeters, which is pretty good, pretty standard. So let's see how our file is going. It's complete, show in Finder. So now I have my Bottlebot here, and I'm just going to drag and drop it. So drag and drop it, and I have to change the orientation of that. So I'm going to change the orientation by putting it flat on the surface. There you go. Now I can just go on slides, and then you can see it's going to take 3 hours, and then I can preview how the printer is going to do the work. So here you can see it starts with this layer and then it goes up. Okay, so now I just save it to an SD card, take it to the printer, and that's it. Once you're ready, you are going to have something like this. So here, this is my bottle, but you're gonna have something like this. Okay, so this is the new version of the Bottlebot. You see this edge here is rounded, and if I put it on in my bottle, it fits. Okay, so pretty good. So we only had to add the motors and go and test our Bottlebot number 2.